you! The ball has already started! We're late! I have the invitations in my hand. Whoever picks which one will go in that carriage. You get the gold invitation. Wow, that's exactly what I wanted. And you, Mira, here's the silver one. Yay, I love everything silver. Let's jump into the carriages. I'm ready. Me too. Yeah! Move on to the decorations. I decorate the Rumi hairstyle with a gold chain and these kinds of golden flowers. Apply hairspray on top and sprinkle with glitter. Add a gold flower. Okay, I'm off. Oh wait, Rumi, look what else I prepared. Take the crown template drawn on cardboard. Cover it with clear tape. Insert a gold glue stick into the hot glue gun and apply it to the template. When the glue dries, detach the crown and trim the rough edges. What's going to be here? Oh, this will come in handy. Take the rhinestone chain off the bracelet and decorate the crown. Glue big stones on top. Time to try it on, Rumi. Wow, it's so beautiful. With this, I'll definitely be the queen of the ball. I wonder how Mira is doing. Wow, what an amazing look, both the makeup and the hairstyle. But I'm already feeling a bit tired from all this getting ready. I want to rest. Shoo. Here, take this chocolate bar. This is delicious. For this craft, I will need foil. Cut off a small piece. Fold it so that the inscription stays inside. Make many such blanks. Now put them one into another. There should be 2 such parts. Secure the back and glue a small decorative crown with a stone on the front. Mira, here's your crown. Try it on. Oh, you're all covered in chocolate. Let's wipe that off. Princesses can't go around like that. There, much better. Let's put on the crown. Wow, it's so beautiful. Now I look like a real princess. Woohoo! Awesome. You also leave a like if you like Mira's new look. Okay, I'm off. But you should go the other way. Oh, right. How beautiful I look. And what's that? Huh? Well, that's Bobby. What is he doing here? And here are the materials for the dress. First, I'll cut off the neck of this bottle. Cut it in half. Apply glue on the top part. Then sprinkle gold glitter on top so there are no gaps. This is the skirt base. Now we need tinsel. Wrap the base with it and cut off the excess. Make a pretty top out of gold foil like this and connect it to the top with a large decorative stone. Look at the gorgeous dress I made. Write in the comments, vote for Rumi if you want her to become the prom queen. Rumi, you look so amazing. I want to show you to the fans. Everyone's waiting. Hi, everyone. Thank you for your likes. Woohoo! Wow, so many lovely dresses here. I like this one and this one too. Look, Crafty Lou, so many sequins. Awesome, I want to buy everything.
So good.
You need to choose just one, Mira. Then I'll pick this one. It's amazing. Great, but do you see the price tag? Oh, wow, but I don't have such money. Oh, goodness, they're all so expensive. And I only have this. For that amount, I can only offer a bag of chips. That's all? So what am I supposed to do now? I'm left without a dress. Don't worry, I came up with something. A little magic and poof, a small bag of chips turns into a big one. I cut it open and place it foil side up. Lie down here. We mark Mira's height and then cut it out. Then gather the fabric and secure it with a stapler. This creates a kind of pleating. Take several of these pieces and make a skirt out of them. It looks great. But this t-shirt doesn't work. Take some nano tape and sprinkle it with silver glitter. Shake off the excess glitter and cut out a corset. Let's try it on Mira. Very pretty. The dress is gorgeous, but my shoes, they just don't match. Right, we'll replace your sneakers with these heels.
Nice.
Now you're ready.
Wow.
Thanks, Crafty Lou. I'm thrilled with my new look. Ready to perform?
Yeah!
Dance, 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 that's all I wanna do. Dance, dance, dance.
Bravo, you're a real star.
Woohoo!
But it's time for you to run to the ball. Which way? That way.
Okay, thank you.
Rumi, you're so beautiful. I can't take my eyes off of you. Thank you, Mira. You also shine in your new look. Which dress do you like more? Rumi's gold dress or Mira's silver one? Write your answers in the comments. Well, Rumi, it's time to go inside. Yeah, let's hurry to the ball. It's not opening. Crafty Lou, what's the problem? Entry is only with a partner. What? But where can we find a partner now? Oh my gosh! Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Uh-huh. Hey guys, wait. Come here.
Hey!
What's going on?
Huh?
What are we doing here? We'll prepare your looks for the ball. Wow, let's open this one. Okay, look what's inside. Wow, it's a silver suit. I'm gonna try it on. Look, Genu, what an awesome outfit I've got. You really have. Let's open your package, Genu. Look what's in here. What is it? You'll find out soon. Come with me. Do I have to go out like this? What an outfit! You look funny. Crafty Lou, I'm not going out looking like this. Don't worry. I'll make a cool costume for you now. Cut out fabric, making a small strip like this. Make slits on the sides and sew them. We got 2 pieces like this. Sew them together. The pants for Genu are ready. Use the handle of a brush to turn them inside out. Wow, can I try them on? Here you go. I like it better this way. Let's put this golden vest on you and sew on the sleeves. It turned into a stylish jacket. We'll decorate it with rhinestones and add golden epaulets. Thanks, Crafty Lou. Whoa, Genu, great outfit. Thanks. So, shall we go to the girls? Yeah, let's go. Wait, we need to put on masks like this. Wow, you guys look awesome. So, can we come in? But only with masks on, see? Oh, right. What do we do? We don't have masks. Crafty Lou, can you help? Of course. We're taking the cardboard mask base. Glue it onto shiny paper, cut it out, leaving small edges. Make cuts on the edges and stick them inside. That's what the mask base looks like. Now it needs decorating. Disco balls are just perfect. Take the shiny squares off them and stick them onto the mask. Look how it sparkles. Here you go, guys. You can give them to the girls.
Thank you!
Just in time. Rumi, here's your mask. Thank you so much.
Wow.
I have one too. Now we'll definitely get into the ball. Rumi, shall we? Let's go, Genu.
Woohoo!
Wow, it's so beautiful here.
Girls, you finally came! You almost missed the treats!
Zoe, you're so funny.
Oopsie.
And now it's time to dance. Mira, wanna dance? It would be an honor. Wow, what's this? What a lively tune.
Yay!
Hey, move aside!
Mirror shows a different me.
Yo, did you see that? Awesome, bro. Now it's my turn.
Is right. Every step's a statement. that I
Yeah!
make.
Watch and learn, guys.
Dancing for my future, for my sake. Turn it up, turn it up.
Showtime! And give it up for Huntrix! Yeah!
I lit the spark, let it burn too wild. Didn't see the smoke, I was running blind.
So we're gonna unlock our castles? Yes, let's do it. Here we are. It worked! Let me try. Wow, it's so spacious here, but it needs some decoration. Don't worry, we'll fix that quickly. Let's see what's inside. So here we have a clear glue and gold glitter. We apply the glue on the floor in a grid pattern like this and spread it with a brush. After that, we sprinkle the glitter on it. Take a hairdryer and blow off the excess glitter. We got this beautiful pattern on the floor. It's too sparkly.
Wow.
Here you go, put on the glasses. Much better now. But what's next? Look,
Yay!
I take silicone molds, fill them with hot glue, and let them dry. I take out the decorations and apply gold powder to them. Look at these embellishments. I hang them on the wall and add printed window cutouts. Let's decorate this wall too. I'll need a gold cord. I glue it horizontally across the middle of the wall and add a decorative gold ribbon below. Photos in old-fashioned frames. I also have some sequin fabric. We got gorgeous curtains. Wow, everything is sparkling. And look at that view from the window. Oh, the curtains are amazing. The pics on the walls are stunning. Absolutely fabulous. You even decorated the terrace. Thank you, Crafty Lou. This is a real princess's castle. Bravo, Mira. Come on, spin around some more. Wow, look at all this ribbon. We'll make a beautiful baseboard out of it. Let's glue it on like this. So cute. And what will be here? How about decorating it with glitter? I love it. First, draw a white pattern on the wall with a white marker. Cover them with white glue and sprinkle with glitter. And here is the design we get. I'm thrilled. Everything is sparkling so much. Let's add a window. This looks amazing. But the floor is completely unsuitable for dancing. No problem. Let's cover it with silver polymer tiles. Wow, it's so soft.
Wow.
But there's not enough lighting. I just happen to have the perfect chandelier. Look. Wow, that's exactly what we need. My lady, may I invite you to dance? With pleasure. I think I got tired. My legs really hurt. Have a seat, Rumi. Thank you. Oh, this is kind of uncomfortable. I have an idea. Take a plastic bottle and a marker. Draw a curved backrest and cut off the excess along the line. Squeeze some gold acrylic paint onto a palette and cover the remaining part of the bottle, both outside and inside, so there are no gaps. It's time to make the seat. Take quilted gold fabric and cut out a small circle. Fill the bottom with hollow fiber and cover it with the gold fabric. Also cover the backrest with this fabric. Decorate the edges of the throne with a gold cord. Take this away and place the throne on a stand. Decorate the legs with embellishments and stones, and also add gold decorations with stones to the backrest and sides. This gorgeous throne is worthy of our Rumi, and this is the perfect place for it. Wow, is this for me? Incredible!
Hey!
Crafty Lou, come here. Here's a figurine, a little table, and some treats. What else do you wish, princess? I want a cup of tea. Here you go, ma'am. Thank you. Oh, I'm bored. What do I do? Got it. I want a concert. Guys, come on in. Hi, Rumi. We're about to sing our super hit for you. Ready? Let's go.
Camera flash, I wave, hey you. Same old stage, but it feels brand new. See your
This is amazing. You guys are awesome. Yeah, we are. I wonder how Mira is doing. So many boxes here. Let's unpack them, please. Oh, Crafty Lou, help me! Give me your hand.
Thank you.
There are so many things. What should I do with them? Let's make you a walk-in closet. I take a silicone mold and fill it with a top coat for gel polish. Put it to dry under a UV lamp. After it dries, paint the embellishment you got in silver. I can use my magic. Ta-da! Great! We make a few more of these decor items and put them to the wardrobe joints. Bring in the rack and add the hangers. I'll also need a case like this. Put some glue on top and attach silver foam sheet. This will be the podium. Attach foil to the bottom half of the lid and set it upright. Look at the mirror we got. Let's put it in Mira's room. Wow, what a big mirror. Stand up, here's your walk-in closet. Oh, it's stunning. Now I have a place to put my things in. Shoes, jewelry, and other accessories. Everything fits perfectly.
Yay!
I still need to hang my dresses. We'll hang them on the hangers now. Everything's in order. What should I wear today? Maybe this?
Wow.
Oh yes, it's very pretty. What do you think? Does it suit me? Yes. Comment down below. I look absolutely stunning in it. It was made for runways. Let me look at myself once more. I'm such a beauty. Crafty Lou, will you take a photo of me? Of course. Say cheese.
You have a package. Wow, it's so bright.
Oh, that's better. Wow, that's from Sephora. So much makeup. But where am I supposed to put it? You're gonna have everything you need, Rumi. I need the plastic sphere. Take off the lid and paint it gold. And trace a circle. Cut it out. And hot glue this circle to the hemisphere. a mirror shaped like an Oreo. Have you seen it? And glue the mirror open to the table. Cover the bottom of the mirror with a pink glitter foam sheet and decorate the top with a gold wreath. Decorate the vanity table with a gold cord along the edges and move on to the pin bases. Take out the pins and paint the base gold as well. Make 4 same details. Put on decor and stones. I need makeup, so I'll take it from the kid palette. Place eyeshadow, lipstick, blush, and a brush on the vanity. This stunning vanity table is shaped like a carriage. Rumi, look! Absolutely stunning! I'll put my perfume here too. And don't forget the lotion. I want to try out my new makeup. Let me do your makeup. First, I'll put on lipstick. Then some blush. And I'll also apply purple eyeshadow. The final touch, perfume.
Yay!
I look so wonderful. Oh, what's rustling over there? It's Derpy! Oh, come here, baby. There's a bed worthy of real princesses with some soft pillows. And a big mirror. I'll also add flowers, a little table, and a chest.
Wow!
Is this my bedroom? Oh, I really love it. Crafty Lou, I'm so tired of these fittings. I'm just worn out. I see. Now we'll make you a royal sofa. What do we have here? Wow, so many materials. Take the curved seat pattern and trace it onto corrugated cardboard. Cut out the blank and cut foam in the same shape. Hot glue the foam to the cardboard. Wrap it all in purple fabric, then cover it with silver sequin fabric. Sew pearl beads onto it. Also make a foam paper base and glue it to the back of the piece. Cover the sides with decorative ribbon. Add legs, and voila! Wow, is this really gonna be my sofa? It's so lovely and so soft.
Yay!
I think I'll sit down for a bit. Oh, it's so comfortable. Here's a Huntrix figurine, a shelf with cosmetics, a crystal slipper, and columns. Just like in a real castle. Oh, I think I got hungry. I have something for you.
Wow!
Wow, so much food. Is it for me? It looks so delicious. Phew, that was a feast. Time to sleep. Mira, are you sleeping? Hey, wake up! Who? Me? I'm not. I just laid down. We have a show coming up soon. Let's get ready. Right. You can pick any dress you want. I don't think any of these really suit me. Okay then, pick a fur coat.
Wow!
I want this one. It's just my style. Let's try it on. Wow, it looks great on you. And yours looks great on you.
Through the night, I'll find the day. I'll face this fight.
Want to come visit me? Let's go. Welcome to my castle. All this makeup is yours? Incredible. Want me to do your makeup?
Yay!
Of course. Blush, eyeshadow, a little powder, touch the lips. All right, you can look at yourself now. I'm simply gorgeous. Thank you. It's time for the show. I take a candy stand. I sprinkle gold glitter on one side and silver on the other.
Wow!
I make 2 decorative stone paths from the fountain, 1 gold and 1 silver. Each leads to Rumi's and Mira's castle.
Mine's on fire! Not a doll, I'm a live wire! They watch, they talk, but I don't care. I'm climbing up while they just stare.
Bravo, girls! Great show! Our silver house, soft and shiny. And golden house, warm and so adorable. Which castle did you like better, the gold one or the silver one? Comment down below. Bye-bye!